In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, tap on more icon, then once you're in phone area, tap on more icon and select blocked. And here you can set up some call blocked rules, or you can block messages. So let me pick call at first, and here you can block all incoming calls if you want to. So just tap here. You can block unknown numbers, or you can block private or withheld numbers. So smoothly by using these switchers, you can activate some particular option. And then if you would like to block messages as well, just mark it. And here we've got one option only, which is block unknown numbers, just like this. And if you'd like to block some numbers, smoothly enter the blocked area, and then you will be able to smoothly and easily manage the blacklist in your device, in your Honor 20 Lite. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.